Hey team, Coach Jake here, and I'm joined by none other than Coach Emily. Hey Emily.
Hey.
And we're gonna go through our top 5 tips for cooking pasta noodles. Our first tip, and the first thing you're gonna wanna do when cooking pasta noodles is add salt to your water. Do you add salt to the water?
Absolutely, every time.
Okay, hand me the salt. Let's add our salt. Ready? Perfect. Okay team, and Emily. Our second tip is that you want to make sure that the water is rapidly boiling because the starches in the pasta absorb the water right away. So if you add the pasta too soon, they're gonna get soggy and improperly cooked. So, Emily?
Yes.
Rapidly boiling.
Very rapid.
Okay, pass me the noodles. And don't break them. Our third tip is that as soon as the noodles go in, you want to stir them right away so they don't stick to the bottom.
Right.
And we want to check how long the noodles have to cook for. So, Emily, how long are we cooking the noodles for?
Well, we are actually cooking the WW yellow lentil spaghetti today. And we're gonna wanna cook this for about 6 to 7 minutes. You still have to watch it.
Okay.
But I am going to set a timer.
Okay, set the timer. Our fourth tip when it comes to cooking pasta noodles is to drain, not dry. You want to drain them, don't let them sit around for too long because then they'll stick together.
Yeah, good.
And our number 5 tip is to add the noodles to the sauce, not the sauce to the noodles. You're going to want to add them in, stir them in, and coat the noodles nice and well. And, fun fact Emily, did you know that if you add some of the water that the pasta was boiling in, it helps the pasta sauce stick to the noodles?
I knew to add water, but I didn't know why.
Well, now you know. All right, Emily, we did it. Now we get to taste our pasta noodle masterpieces.
So excited.
So delicious. WW lentil pasta. Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm, so good. See how that sauce just sticks to the noodles? Mmm, so good. And team, that's cooking pasta noodles with Jake and Emily. Thanks, Emily.